Get ready for today's episode featuring a dramatic BMW Pursuit, a trooper's car catching fire, and an impressive pit maneuver that brings it all to a close. Enjoy the show! During a routine patrol, officers observed a blue Dodge Charger and a black Dodge Challenger traveling at a high rate of speed northbound on South University Avenue. The black Challenger was seen weaving in and out of traffic without signaling, while the blue Charger was overtaking vehicles on the right shoulder at a similarly high speed. In response to their dangerous driving behavior, officers initiated a pursuit of both vehicles.
Stand by for direction travel. Southbound on Chico. Come on. Southbound on Chico, passing Nolan. Stand by for direction. Take primary, I can't hear you. Okay, I'm now third. Westbound on Big Wheel Cutoff. Get him, Fair Claw.
Officers observed both vehicles make an eastbound turn onto 12th Street from South University Avenue. During the turn, the blue Charger lost control and slid into oncoming traffic lanes.
North on Stardust. Get somebody over on that baseline by the We're going to be going back westbound, come back up to Chico. No traffic. Speed about 6.
As officers attempted to pursue the blue Charger, which passed the stationary black Challenger, the black Challenger accelerated and swerved into the officer's lane of travel. This maneuver caused the officer to strike the south curb line of 12th Street, disabling the patrol vehicle and resulting in a fire.
Coming out on North Street. Along the front end road,
Officers lost sight of the suspect vehicle at the intersection. Responding officers in the area later observed the suspect vehicle entering the Interstate 30 frontage road from Enchiquet Road. As officers approached, they noticed that the suspect vehicle had collided with another car before ultimately crashing at the McDaniel exit.
You may find out or something. I got a bunch of dust up here coming up on I-30 baseline of traffic. trying to get through it. To the left. Crashed out. Remember the guy that exit 130. Exit 130. You said they ran. Where? Lady said they ran. They ran. Baseline, I'm trying to get through it. To the left. Crashed out. Remember the guy that exit 130. Exit 130. You said they ran. Where? Lady said they ran. They ran.
The suspect, Mr. Benton, was taken into custody following a brief foot pursuit. A search of Mr. Benton revealed that he was in possession of a stolen firearm as well as the key fob for the Dodge Challenger.
Where'd they run to? Okay. There they go. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! You're gonna get shot! Get out! Get out! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
On May 21st, 2024, Sergeant Cabrera was dispatched to assist in the pursuit of a stolen gray BMW. The pursuit was initiated by Trooper Ronald Melendez after the vehicle fled at speeds exceeding 149 miles per hour. The BMW had been reported stolen out of Miami-Dade County, prompting the issuance of a BOLO by FHP Dispatch.
Echo 10, Juliet Bravo, Echo 10, 4-door 2023, Gray BMW 340 India. Less than 450. I'm in 83928, eastbound past 747.
The pursuit continued north on Florida's Turnpike, where the BMW drove recklessly while actively fleeing from Trooper Melendez, who maintained his emergency lights and siren throughout the entire chase. The vehicle exited onto eastbound Sunrise Boulevard and then turned north onto State Road 7, continuing at high speeds. Road conditions were dry and traffic was moderate. The BMW weaved in and out of lanes, passed NW 19th Street and made a right turn onto eastbound Oakland Park Boulevard from State Road 7. It then turned left onto NW 30th Avenue, entered a shopping center, and exited onto westbound Oakland Park Boulevard. During the pursuit, the BMW intentionally struck Trooper Melendez's patrol car, causing him to lose control and collide with a pole. The BMW continued west on Oakland Park Boulevard, made a left turn onto southbound State Road 7, and subsequently lost control, colliding with a bus stop area and coming to a stop. The driver, identified as Tommy Allen, and the passenger, Tyler Tyrone Hollins, fled the scene on foot. Fort Lauderdale officer Orlando Muniz Bueno was able to apprehend the driver with the assistance of a K-9 unit. On September 26, 2023, a trooper observed a vehicle pull into a gas pump only to quickly leave upon noticing the trooper's presence. Finding this behavior suspicious, the trooper ran the vehicle's license plate, which returned as stolen.
49, Bay here at the south end. 49.
Well, nothing.
Driver, shut the vehicle off now. Let me see your hands. Put your hands in the air. With your left hand, open the driver's side door. With your left hand. Keep your right hand up and with your left hand open the door. Keep your hands up, both hands. Step out of
The trooper initiated a traffic stop, but the suspect initially stopped before fleeing the scene. The trooper quickly ended the pursuit by executing a pit maneuver, successfully apprehending both suspects.
Keep that open. Keep both hands up, step out of the vehicle. Both hands up and step out of the vehicle. Face away from me. Face away from me. Stand back up. Get back out of the vehicle now. Hit 37. We're southbound. Speed's about 50 miles an hour. TDI, just no. I ain't got back control of it. We're back southbound. We see your hands up. Step out of the car right now. Step out of the shoot you. Step out. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Jonesboro, we're stopped just north of 928 Road. I've got him proned out next to the driver's side door. Get me some units here. You better stay right there, dude.
The officer placed the suspect in handcuffs, and later the vehicle's owners arrived on scene to recover their property.
Stay right there. Put your arms out to the side of you. Both arms out to the side. There you go. Cross your feet. Don't move. There you go.